Hey everyone, here is how to play the card game Love Letter. Love Letter is a fun and super simple social deduction game with everything you need to know right on each card. There's a good amount of luck in the game, but there's also a lot of chances for you to make the wrong or right choices, which makes it a lot of fun. And it is so portable, so you can bring it with you anywhere so easily. The game is played with 2 to 6 players with 21 character cards and 13 favor tokens. Here's the game setup. Put one card aside and pass one card to each player. Leave the remaining in the center pile. This is the up to 6 players version, so as shown on the reference card, there are a total of 1 princess, 1 king, 1 countess, 6 guards, and 2 of each of the remaining rows. The goal of the game is to gain favor tokens by either being the last player standing or when the deck runs out of cards, ending up with the highest value card, which is the number on the top left hand corner. Taking turns in clockwise order, each player will draw a card and decide which card to keep and which to use. When a card is used, you perform the effects along with the requirements written on the card. Here are the cards and their effects. I won't go through all of them, just wanted to share it on the screen. Here's a quick sample move. It is my turn. I will draw a card. Out of these 2 cards, I will decide which card to use and which to hold on to. I will use my guard card to guess that the player to my left here is a prince. Now the player on my left must let me know if he is a prince without showing me his hand. If he is out of the round. If not, the turn moves on to the next player. In this case, he is not a prince, he is a priest, so he is not eliminated from the round and the next player goes. Here are some limitations to remember. The guard card is only allowed to name a non-guard character. And the king or prince card cannot be played if you have a countess in your hand. The round is over when the deck runs out of cards or if everybody is eliminated except one player. When the deck runs out, the player with the highest value card wins the round. The game will be played multiple rounds until a player reaches the winning number of favor tokens, in which case he or she has earned the noble princess's full trust. That's it. That's Love Letter. Hope it was helpful. Like if it was, comment if you have any, and subscribe if you haven't. See ya.